Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I'm gonna show you a little Dashing Diva haul and what I do with my leftover press-on nails. So today what I have on my hands is Color Streets All Wild Up, and here it is. See, my leftovers are in here, all wild up. So I have this on my little pitiful natural nails. Underneath that I have the Nail Aid Keratin 3-Day Growth. So I've been using this for almost a week now. And I had press-on nails before that. This is the worst of it. It is super soft nail at the tip of this one. So this is the worst nail. This one looks a little bruised up almost. So that looks damaged. And then my pinkies. The rest aren't too bad. This one has a thin spot, the top two. So I'm working on them, getting them back to health. I plan on doing a different video all about that. But right now, we're just going to play with this, and I have a nice short video today for you because my daughter graduated from high school yesterday, so it's been a crazy week. So I wanted to get something up for Saturday, so here we go. So here is my little Dashing Diva package. And I don't need that. Ooh, dump out my nails. So I just went on their website, which I'll have that linked below. The packaging, it comes really quick. So I got 2 of these pretty butterflies and stars. Aren't those cute? So I got these. The press-ons have been working great, and I just put nail glue on underneath them, and they last for a couple days for me working, and I'm a hairstylist, so shampoo all day. They definitely won't last with just the adhesive. Oh, don't mind my dog. He's just having fun with the bone. He's very chatty when he chews his bone. So I thought these would be pretty. And then I have these. Some nice pretty aqua. I like them. And little bunnies. I think these were Easter ones, but they're so cute. Oh, it's upside down. Isn't that cute? So little bunnies. Their tails are little gems, and they're French manicure. So that's cute. I've been enjoying some French manicures lately. I had French manicure kiss press on nail and press nails on this week, and they were cute. So this, a little glitter, a little sparkle, and then some longer ones, just in case I'm missing some long nails. It says long on here, but seriously, they're more of a medium length. But they look really nice. So some sparkle, some pretty greenish blue in there. So I have those. Thought these would be fun to add to my collection. And I have my little box. Let me make sure it is in frame. We are in frame. So in here, I just carry all my leftovers. I do have, I have the tiny little cuticle sticks that come with the kit. A tiny little file. Some Kiss nail glue from the Dollar Tree. I have some leftover prep pads in there, which I have 2 more leftover Color Street prep pads when I did my nails yesterday. So put those in there. And then I have the Dashing Diva Red Therapy. It is their base shield made for the Magic Press nails. So I do put that on underneath. I do like it. So I have my leftovers. So I have more of those coffin shape, so I can do a mix and match if I want. These are what I had on this week. See, cute little French manicure with a little silver lining, and I had all silver accent nail. So I just keep my leftovers, and then I can make a whole new set with what's in here. And this case I got at Daiso, so love it. So that's it. Oop, forgot to put something away. Everything seems to fit in there nicely. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today on my quick little video. And stay tuned for how I'm getting my nails back to health and giving them a break. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video. Give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!